We are going to show you how to use condition blocks in a flow. You can use the condition block if you want to send your subscriber to a certain part of the flow, depending on the condition you set. Let's show you 3 examples. The first example checks if the user is within the 24-hour window. To do that, add a condition block. Then add a condition. Choose interacted in last 24 hours. This setup is using a condition if the user has interacted within 24 hours or not. If yes, the subscriber will receive a message on Facebook Messenger. If not, the subscriber will receive an SMS. Let's have the second example that checks if the user has an email address on file. Add a condition block. Then add a condition. Choose email. Then choose has any value. This setup is using a condition if the user has an email address on file. If yes, the subscriber will continue without giving an email address anymore. If no, the subscriber will receive a message asking for an email address. Last but not the least, in this third example, let's check if the user has the welcome tag. If yes, they will be sent directly to the flow. If no, they will be sent a welcome message. There you have it. You just learned how to use the condition block. See you in the next video.